right, I have a little plumbing job to do today. This faucet, I'll demonstrate for you, about 10 years old, maybe 11 years old, has a weird problem once the hot water starts to flow. It takes a while for the hot water to get here. I feel like we must be half a mile from the hot water source. There it goes. There you go, that's what it does. Now I don't know what the exact solution is, but I'm going to try replacing this mixer cartridge. Did a little research. This seems to be the right part, so we'll see what happens. So what I got to do is pull this cap off. There's a screw in there. Pull the handle off and start to go from there. All right, step one was to turn the water off under the sink. I'll try to get this off of here. Here's the screw we got to take off. I did use a little penetrating oil in here. I looked at this a couple days ago. And this will just come off. So now, I don't know how well you can see this, but I mean, this is the piece we're going to replace right here. I'm not exactly sure how to get it out yet, but we'll tinker with it here, see what we learn. Okay, kids, I figured it out. Basically, this has to turn this way. Unfortunately, I had to get serious and use this to break it loose. Okay. Get this off of here. Okay. Now, having done that, here, this is loose now. Okay, so I pulled it off like this. It looks like this bigger circle was to the back. So that's the way we will reinsert it. The bigger circle to the back. And this was on here somehow. Okay, now when you're reassembling this, let me just show you this. I guess we can leave this on there. What you want to do with this outer piece, right, is you want it to be, you know, this way, right? So it's evenly spaced here. Then this, when this goes on, there's two pins here. They drop down in side pins here. And this should basically fit down in there, and this should be centered like that. So what happens is when this turns, that's a stop on the back for cold. This is a stop on the other side for hot. So that's the way you want that to be set, I think. All right, let's put this one back together. At least partially back together. I don't have to get too crazy with this. I'm gonna put this on here. I'm gonna go quickly turn the water on, and we'll see what happens. Okay, turn the valves back on. I didn't get water shooting out anywhere yet. Oh, there we go. Make it hot. See what happens. Water's warm already. I'm going to be bold, put it back together. yet. There we go. Only lukewarm.
Wait for the super hot to get through.
Well,
It's pretty hot now.
not making any noise yet. Sounds pretty encouraging.
If you're curious about the part number I used on this, there it is, GP77548.
I think we're good. Yep, that's cold. That's hot. That's off. And I'm going to say it was successful.
I gotta be honest, I don't get a lot of successful plumbing projects. See you now.